Welcome to the scriptFILTER basic tutorial. Just spend 5 minutes with me here and you'll learn everything you need to know about the basic features of the scriptFILTER. We'll start with a PDF file of a script. Here I've emailed to myself a copy of Bridesmaids, which I found on the internet, and I'll open that up. You can also start with a script that you've stored on board your device. Tap the export button in the upper right corner and tell it to open in the scriptFILTER. It takes less than 10 seconds to analyze the script. Here we are at the main menu page of the app. As you can see, we can navigate from here to the script page, the character profile, and scene profile. By tapping the upgrade button, you can purchase more profile displays and upgrade to the Pro version, which unlocks the capability to analyze unlimited scripts. The back button in the upper left takes you back to the main menu page. From here, let's take a look at the various functions. On the script page, the script can be read in one endless page. The original page breaks are represented by blue dashed lines with the page number in blue at the upper left. In the floating control panel in the lower right, we can set the summary percentage. I'll set it to 50%. The app will now skip the sentences that are statistically less significant to the main storyline. The lower you set the percentage, the more sentences will be skipped. Every skipped portion is represented by a red dashed line. If you want to see what was skipped, tap the Removed button in the floating control panel. The skipped material will be displayed in red. Tap it again, and the skipped lines will go away. Also, the floating control panel will show you what page you're on in terms of the original page versus the summarized page. Let's tap the back button and go back to the main page. From here, we'll visit the character profile. This page displays all of the statistical data of each character. The character's significance to the main storyline, which makes it easy to see who the stars are. The number of sentences that each character speaks, the number of times each character is mentioned, age, sex, and other things. By tapping the column heads, you can sort the characters by the data in that column. Who has the most lines? Who is talked about the most? If some data, such as age or sex, is not automatically detected, or is incorrect, you can add or change it here. Now, back to the main menu page. Let's visit the scene profile. This page displays the data of all of the scenes. Interior or exterior, location, time of day, how many dialogue or action sentences the scene contains, how many pages in length the scene is, and the scene significance. This column calculates a value between -100 and +100, indicating how relevant the scene is to the main storyline. This will also indicate how much can be cut from a scene without straying from the main storyline. For a screenshot of any page that you're viewing, tap the camera button. It will ask you if you want to text or email the shot or save it internally onto your device. By tapping the export button, you can export a CSV file of any of the profiles for entry into spreadsheets or other programs. You can text or email the CSV file. We've been navigating to the various pages by returning to the main menu page, but we can also easily navigate between the script page, character profile, and scene profile with this mini floating menu. Now we'll go back to the character profile to demonstrate an advertised feature that I'm sure actors will really like. Tap the character name, and when we go back to the script page, all of that character's lines will be highlighted. And when you tap the highlight button in the floating control panel here, only the highlighted material will be displayed. If you select a word or phrase, the app will define it or search the web for it, or highlight it. The search function searches the script for a desired word or phrase. The Go-To function will take you to a particular page. Let's go to page 77. To send your modified scriptFILTER file to someone, go back to the main menu page and tap the Export button. From here, you can text or email the scriptFILTER file or save it internally to your device. To view the file or any other scriptFILTER file in your library, tap the Library button in the upper left corner of the main menu page. Here you can retrieve the saved scriptFILTER files by tapping the file name. Now you have the info, just play around with the scriptFILTER and in no time you'll be an expert. Here at Nutshell Media Inc., our goal is to make the scriptFILTER as useful and robust as possible. So if you have any questions, comments, or ideas, please contact us at nutshellmediainc@gmail.com.